What do you got there, Dad?
68 Dodge Charger RT.
And what about it? What makes it so cool? Just in case people don't know what the car is and why it's sitting in our driveway.
It's cool because it's mine.
Well, duh. But what are you doing with that car?
I'm standing next to it.
Well, no shit.
Been working on the voltage regulator.
Well, we're not talking about the voltage regulator issue.
What are we going to talk about?
You're just telling people about, you know, it's a high school tribute to the car you had in high school minus the few things that are different.
Yeah, that.
You know, in case people, new people, old people.
Got a Hemi.
It's got a Hemi. I figured you would start the engine first and then pop the hood and be cool, but now it's out, the cat's out of the bag. I mean, also the emblem right here kind of gives it away. It's gonna start. Of course not. The chokes are off now. What size Hemi, Dad?
223.
It's a 426. Board 30 over. I love the sound of that noisy valve train. Charger RT. Yeah, Dad's got his cutouts, but they're not wired up. I think I can see them. It's not done yet. We're waiting on vinyl top and headliner. It's all sound and heat deadened. Brand new seats by Procar. They're scat. Because original seats are expensive as hell. And it is getting a white vinyl top. That's that. Like I say, Dad, rub on it. Be a man. Oh God, he's driving it. You gotta love it. All these years growing up here, and every time I would break the gravel loose with my tires, Dad would yell at me. But that's what's cool is you gotta have both tires spinning.
Two little pops.
I wouldn't call them really little. It's a 295 tire in the back. Now, excuse me everybody who's watching the video as I clean up Dad's mess in the driveway.
But you never used to clean up your own.
I did too, kinda. Oh, you happy, Dad?
Yeah, he's got the perfect stance. He's ready to rock. Well,
Got
he ain't ready.
Yeah. There's
Getting there.
a lot of stuff left to be done, but it's got a nice rake to it. It's not stock height where it's kind of nose high. It's not as raked out as Jezebel is.
We'll just get that windshield and top and stuff done and get finished.
Yeah, we got to put a new windshield in it. That one kind of broke, but you got to have it out anyways to put the the vinyl top on and the headliner, or one or the other. Anyways, I don't think Dad ever explained this, but this is a recreation of his high school car. Car he had in high school.
69.
It was a 69. Didn't have the black hood. It was all R4 red factory with a white vinyl top, white interior.
Original 383. Turned it into a 440.
It was the original SE car.
Yeah. White hat special. White interior, white top.
And now you got an RT. Just an RT. You don't have an RT SE.
No, it's an RT.
But it's a really cool car. This car from the factory was really rare options. It was a special order car. It was, God.
Something green.
It was GG1, which is that really dark green. This car had a white top originally and a white and black interior two-tone. AC, manual steering, manual brakes.
Big block.
Yeah, it was a 440 because RTS the only engine besides Hemi. But the air conditioning was the weirdest thing. That's really all it had for options, really. But now we're recreating Dad's high school car out of it. It'll be a black interior, white top, R4 red body, and the black hood. It'll be really striking. And if people don't like it, they go to hell.
You know,
This is Dad's car. This is his dream, no one else's. And of course, slotted mags. We got bigger ones than Dad had in high school.
only got the 15.
Yep, 15 by 10s, 15 by 7 or 8s. I think those are 8s. Be nice drivability.
It turns good. That manual steering still turns easy.
I love manual steering. I'm getting rid of power steering in Jezebel. I hate it.
It's got that original steering wheel on it now.
Yep. I restored that steering wheel for my satellite and then found out that the earlier style steering wheel, 69 and back, was a different spline count on the wheels, and 70 had the locking mechanism in the column because they put the key on the column versus on the dash, and the wheels won't interchange. So I had that laying around, threw a Dodge logo in it, which I had the Roadrunner one in there, and worked perfectly for Dad's car.
It's got a footprint dimmer switch.
And a footprint dimmer switch, which has been in this car for God knows how long. We didn't add that. Satellite's got footprint gas pedal, you got footprint dimmer switch. Damn. Oh. Definitely a cool project. And for anybody who's new to the channel, they can go back and watch all the videos of us building this engine and everything. Me repairing this grill, which was broken. Everything on this car. We have documented everything. Why do you got this hose up here, Dad?
Oh, when I was working on that regulator.
Oh, there we go. That's better.
Okay.
We'll get a picture of that for the deal. There we go. All right. Is there anything else, Dad?
I think that's about the size of it. Got a lot of work to do on these headlights yet.
Yeah, we got to add everything to make the headlights function for Dad's car.
And I got to build me a harness in here.
Yep, Dad's going to build all of his headlight stuff. Of course, you guys will probably see that. Probably not.
Hood blinkers working.
Yep, they're in there. A lot of funky parts trying to find for Dad. Including this 68 latch mechanism. That was fun to source. Oh, well, it's hot. I think you guys have seen enough. You've heard the engine. You saw Dad actually move. I wasn't anticipating that. What else, Dad? That it?
That's it for now.
Cool. Well, everybody, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
What if we give it the karate chop?
Give it a karate chop. Just how factory Chrysler did it. Look at that.
Karate chop.
And installed. So,
Bye-bye.